love! So today, it's Christmas Day! And one of our traditions sa family namin, nagbe-bake kami kapag Christmas. Pero this time, meron pupuntahan kami na ready na yung mga utensils. So magbe-bake na lang kami ni Mother. Right, Mother? We're going to start.
A few moments later.
Yan talaga yung design. Hindi na may nangyari. Expectation. Reality. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Butter. Ang peg namin ni Mom ito today. Ako si Galinda. And then siya si Alphabet.
História pagando enquanto puta senta forte. Fugir da polícia pra quebrada meio toque. Cuidado na pista, mas a sorte veio side. História pagando enquanto puta senta forte. Fugir da polícia pra quebrada meio
dinner with Mama. What are you grateful for this 2020?
Grateful I was able to have a vacation and spend Christmas with you and the family. Although it's sad that that Lola Cell is gone now.
Iiyak today. So what are you looking forward naman this 2025?
Looking forward for your success in your business.
Yes!
So, sana mag-boom na yan. Tuloy-tuloy na yung iyong business. Yun, tuloy pa rin yung mga good projects for you. Be a good girl always.
Yung sabi nga ni God, kapag madami ng mga failures sa buhay mo, that means may darating na malaking blessings.
Perfect.
Parang niyinig lang ako ni Lord dahil paparating na yung malaking blessing. So, naging successful na ako. Hindi na tayo maghihiwalay, Mom. I love you so much, man.
Love you too.
Mommy! Why are you leaving me now?
Memories linger in the air. I hold your
Yun lang. Love you. Walang kiss-kiss.
Nag-kiss na ako kanina.
Oo, kiss-kiss pa. Kiss-kiss mo. Ayoko na umiyak kasi masisira makeup ko.
Love you, Nak.
Bye-bye. Di tayo iyak. Ba't ganyan teary-eyed? Ang ganda pa naman na makeup ko. So, yun guys. Mag-e-end na ako. So, yun. Ba't ako naiyak? So, yun. Thank you for watching. Super happy ako sa vlog na to kasi tagal ko din nakasama sa mama sa Christmas. So, I hope you like this vlog. Like and subscribe. And see you guys on my next vlog. I love y'all.